Welcome back, everyone. We're here in Queenstown again, and it's time for some more disc golf. This week, I'm playing one of my first official competitions, and I asked Bram to take some photos and videos. And of course, he won't say no to that. A few days later, Bram and I went on a hike to Robroys Glacier, and on our way, we drove on this scenic road, and just look how stunning this landscape is.
So today we are at Robroys Glacier walk. You see the glacier over there, and we're now at the car park, and I think we're gonna hike from here to there. It's about 10 kilometers and it should take us about 3 to 4 hours. The drive already was really nice down here, and I'm really curious because as you know, I'm not a really big fan of hiking, but in New Zealand you have to do it, and this one is so close to Queenstown, so I give it a shot. And I'm really excited actually to see something else. We made it, and look how beautiful this glacier is.
As you might know, Bram can be a bit clumsy.
On our way back to the car, Ella found a new friend who really wants to come home with us. Unfortunately, we had to leave her there. That's very open.
You put it down.
After this great hike, we still had enough energy for our favorite thing, disc golf. Classic! It really became my #1 thing to do here in New Zealand. A great way to spend some time in nature. Oh yeah, and I think this is one of the best sunsets I've ever seen in my life. It has been a wonderful day with a wonderful sunset to end with.
A few days later, we went for a little drive again as I still had the rental car. Unfortunately, Bram's phone broke the day before, but he used my phone to fly the drone out and still capture some of this amazing landscape. What would he do without me?
Yeah, that's completely true. Otherwise, I couldn't show you this footage. Like she said, what would I do without her? To be honest, nature-wise, I think this is one of the most beautiful countries I've ever been when I look back at it now. It's such a shame I was in a very bad headspace. I was basically done with the whole backpacking experience and I went to New Zealand with the wrong intentions. It was just escaping from reality and not facing my problems. This resulted, not surprisingly, in even more problems for myself, and so I decided to make a change of plan. Alright, with this little road trip here in beautiful New Zealand, my trip unfortunately comes to an end. Nothing seems to be expected. I came here with the wrong intentions and I expected something totally different. It is what it is. Sometimes you have to make choices and just do whatever feels the best for you. I'm going back to Australia for a couple of weeks and then I'm going back to the Netherlands and my travel will end for now. I have some plans for the future. I will definitely come back to you with that. But for now, this is my New Zealand story and I'm off. See ya.